If there's one dish I can have for breakfast, lunch and dinner, it's this veggie frittata because it's loaded with vegetables and it's so easy to make. Start by cracking about 8 eggs into a bowl. And yes, I know that's a lot, but the best part of this frittata is that you can always store it in the fridge or you can even freeze it and keep eating it for the next couple of days. So in go 8 eggs along with salt, pepper, grated mozzarella, cream and milk. And then just whisk everything together till it's combined and set it aside while we prep our vegetables. I highly recommend using a cast iron pan for making this frittata, or at least a pan which you can use on the stove and in the oven. Add some oil, and once the oil is hot, add onions, garlic, bell peppers, zucchini and broccoli, and then saute everything together for a few minutes. Once the vegetables are lightly sauteed, add potatoes, spring onions and spinach, and then saute this again for a few more minutes and cover and cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes till the spinach is wilted. Then add a layer of grated mozzarella and pour your egg mixture on top. We actually have more cheese to add, and that is another reason I love this frittata. So add some crumbled feta and parmesan, and then bake this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 200 degrees. If your frittata is baked well, it'll come right off the pan when you slice it. I really love eating this with a side salad or sometimes topped with sour cream. Either way, it's delicious and I know you're going to love it. Now go ahead, make this your next breakfast, lunch and dinner. This is Richa from My Food Story and I hope you like this recipe. I'll see you next time.